Microwave link is used to connect two sites through microwave signal, where each site consists of indoor unit and outdoor unit. The indoor unit located inside the shelter, while the outdoor unit located at the tower. As per this picture, each site has indoor unit, IF cable, radio unit, microwave dish antenna. The indoor unit consists of some electronic cards. Some IDUs are compact, and in case of any failure at any card, the whole IDU should be replaced, while some other IDUs allow to change faulty cards only without changing all the indoor unit. Microwave indoor unit device consists of backplane unit. This is the chassis that connect all cards. Control card. This is the node processing unit. Manage and direct traffic flow between different networks. And it do tasks such as filtering, forwarding, and routing. Power supply unit. This is the power source to the IDU. This port feeds the indoor unit with minus 48 volt DC power needed to switch the indoor unit on. Fan unit helps to cool the IDU's internal components, helps to regulate the IDU's internal temperature and preventing overheating. IF card. The IF card provides an interface that enables IF cable to connect between the indoor unit and the outdoor unit.